Assalamu alaikum, dear students. It is an English lecture, class 8, unit number 2. Topic is a dialogue, page number 10. In this lecture, I tell you what is collective noun and what is adverb. I discuss some types of adverb and solve the activities. Let's start. And the first word is collective noun. Collective noun definition. Collective noun, by its name, it is very clear that it is about the collection of things and collection of things, either of people, animal or things. The definition is: collective noun are the names given to group of people, animals or things. Example: a crowd is a lot of men, women and children. It means the crowd, a gathering, are a lot of men, women and children, not about any specific gender. It's all about men, women and children. Option B, cutlery. Cutlery is a lot of knives, forks and spoons. A lot of knives, forks and spoons. Next, let's start the exercise. Now question is, now give 3 examples for each of these in the same way. Each 3 examples for each of these sentence. Bundle of clothes. Bundle of clothes is a lot of dash dash and dash. We will fill in the blanks. Bundle of cloth is a lot of shirts, jeans and skirts. Next, furniture. Furniture is a lot of benches, chairs and tables. Furniture consists of these 3 things: benches, chairs and tables. Except all these things, there are a lot of things that can be included in furniture, but in this sentence we will mention just 3 examples. Poultry. Poultry are a lot of chickens, ducks and geese. Next, cattle. Cattle are a lot of goats, cows and sheep. Sheep is in itself is a plural, so we cannot add as with sheeps. We can write it sheep, CSHEEP. Next sentence is stationery. Stationery is a lot of dash notebooks, pens and pencils. In stationery we can add many things, but we are just hearing to attempt the exercise by including 3 examples for each of these in the same way. Next, main function, our main point of this exercise is adverb. Adverb, by its name we will discuss the adverb as a word. Follow the word ad, at, verb, verb. The first word is, first pronunciation is add, then verb, mean the word that add meanings in verb. Adverbs, by its very name we can discuss it and we can understand this word by its name. For example, add and verb. Add, verb. Adverb mean. The definition of the adverb is an adverb is often used to modify a verb, adjective, or another adverb. The scope of adverb is very wide. We can add a adverb can add meanings in the verb, in the meanings of adjective. It also modify another adverb. Okay, but in this lecture we will talking about just the adverb to modify a verb. Its first function, that is to modify a verb. Examples: he can run quickly. He can run quickly. Here the verb is run and quickly is the word that modifies the verb. The verb is run and the word that modifies the verb is called adverb. Quickly is adverb. Next, she writes neatly. Writes is a verb and neatly modifies the verb that is write. So adverb is neatly. Let's learn about some adverbs. Adverb of manners, adverb of time, adverb of place. There are many types of adverbs in English, but we are talking about just 3 examples are the types of adverbs. First one is adverb of manner, second one adverb of time, and third one is adverb of place. Let's define these types of adverbs. First type, adverb of manner. Adverbs of manner, they tell us the way people do things. Mean adverbs of manner tell us the things or tells us about the action, in which way the action is performed, in which type the action is performing or has been performed. Examples: he has arrived safely. He has arrived safely. Safely is an adverb and it's also an adverb of manner. It modifies the verb that is arrived. So safely is an adverb of manner. The soldier. The soldier fought bravely. Bravely modifies the verb that is fought. Bravely is an adverb of manner. Next, adverb of time. Adverb of time, they tell us about the time when the action took place. Means the adverbs of time tell us about the time when the action takes place or took place. In this adverb, timing matters a lot. Examples: may I do my work later? Do my work later. Later is an adverb of time. It modifies the doing work. Mean it modifies the action word. Next example is Ahmad. Ahmad has just arrived. Ahmad has just arrived. Just modifies the word, the verb arrived, and just is an adverb of time. And the third type of adverb is adverbs of place. Adverbs of place tell us about the place where the action was taken or where the action was performed. Examples. Example number 1. He is here after the holiday. He is here for the holiday. And Here is an adverb of place because here defines in this sentence the place where the action has been performed or action was taken. Example number 2, it's raining. Let's go inside. Inside is an adverb of place because in this sentence inside defines the place or confirms the place where they are going or where is the speaker going. Activity number 1. Our first activity related to adverb is change the following adjectives to adverb. Change the following adjectives to adverb. Student, I in my earlier lessons define the adjective, and we all know that adjective is a word that defines or modifies the noun or pronoun, but adverb modifies the verb. Here in this activity we change the adjective to adverb. Here in column first there are adjectives and in second column there are adverbs. First adjective is strong and we add ly, strongly, brave, bravely, soft, softly, quiet, quietly, slow, slowly. स्ट्रॉन्ग मीन मजबूत, स्ट्रॉन्गली मजबूती से, ब्रेव बहादुर, ब्रेवली बहादुरी से, सॉफ्ट नरम, सॉफ्टली नरमी से, क्वाइट खामोश, क्वाइटली खामोशी से, स्लो आहिस्ता, स्लोली आहिस्तगी से. Our first activity has been completed. Next we move on to attempt or solve our next activity, that is underline the adverbs in the following sentences. Underline the adverbs in the following sentences. Sentence number 1 is Ahmad, you can stay outside. Outside is adverb. In second sentence, come here. Here is adverb. Option number 3, the sun is shining brightly. Brightly is an adverb because it modifies the verb that is shining. Option number 4, the old man is walking slowly. Slowly is an adverb that modifies the walking, that is verb. Sana arrived late. Late is an adverb that modifies the verb and the verb is arrived. It rained heavily last night. Last night is an adverb that qualifies the verb and the verb is rained heavily. Please put the cups here. Please put the cups here. Here is an adverb and it qualifies the verb that is put. And the next step of activity 2 is, from these sentences pick out the adverbs of time, place and manners and write them in the right column. Mean in this activity, in activity 2 first portion we underline the adjectives, we just underline the adverbs, and in second portion we will categorize the adverbs, either it is time, place or manner, and for this activity I solve this activity in columns. First column adverb of time, second adverb of place and third column is adverbs of manner. Adverb of time, in this activity adverb of time is late. Arrived पहुंचा, late, there यानी it means late defines the time. Late is adverb of time. And the second one is sentence number 6, last night. Last night defines the time, so it is also an adverb of time. Second column adverb of place. So look at this activity. Where is adverb of place? First, outside, it defines the place, and second one is come here. Here is an adverb of place. And the third one is here in 7 portion. Please put the cups here, and it is also here, and we can call it there. Adverb of manner. Adverb of manner that defines in which way or in which direction the verb is taken place or the action took place. And that is brightly. Brightly qualifies the shining, and brightly means full of light. So brightly is an adverb of manner. Next one is option number 4, slowly. Walking slowly. Slowly also defines the way, and slowly is adverb of manner. Okay, student, the third portion of second activity is pick out at least 5 adverbs from the lesson and make sentences from them. And now we will pick out 5 adverbs and make the sentences. And our first adverb is just. Just, and we made a sentence that is I have just come. I have just come. मैं अभी अभी आया हूँ. There, he she is sitting there. There वहाँ पे, और वो वहाँ पे बैठी हुई है. Fully मुकम्मल तौर पर या बखूबी. He is fully aware of that. वो उससे बखूबी वाकिफ़ है. Easily आसानी से. I can do this work easily. मैं ये काम बआसानी कर सकता हूँ. Certainly. Certainly यकीनन. नसीम is certainly greedy. नसीम यकीनन लालची है. Okay student, we have learned adjectives and collective noun. So your diary is to learn these collective noun and adverbs and types of adverbs, and write these things, note down these things on your book. Okay,